Well, guys, we're back here at my favorite intersection that I always love to document, but it looks like they finally did fix the pullover on that side. It still looks a bit ugly because it's been hit, but the good news is at least they tried to put the pole back up straight. They did the same thing at the Luck and La Cholla and Tangerine once. So it's not perfect, but at least it's not leaning. That's the one thing about it that I have problems with.
Wait. Traveling south.
But unfortunately, the buns are still messed up.
Wait.
Still messed up. I think the bun's just a tiny bit crooked, too. The bun looks like it's a tiny bit crooked.
28.
Oh, wow, this one's louder, too.
19. 18.
This is the loudest I've ever seen it be.
15.
Yeah, it's still leaning just a tiny bit, but it's not as bad as it was. It's still leaning a bit, but it's not as bad.
Wait. Traveling south.
But you can still see it. It's kind of leaning.
Wait.
But the sign itself is indented. The sign on the button itself is fine. Button walks will go out in a second.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a little crooked. That's it.